Today we will learn how to knit a new rib pattern together, the double rib. Rib cuffs are elastic trims that can be knit in many different ways. We have more examples and you can actually find it on our YouTube channel, so check them out. We start off with the first row. And alternately, we're going to be knitting 2 knit stitches and 2 purl stitches. It doesn't matter whether you start with the knit stitch or the purl stitch. In this example, I started with the purl stitch. So for instance, I'm going to be making 2 purl stitches and 2 knit stitches. But please note that when you're knitting in the round, you'll need a number of stitches that is divisible by 4 so that the pattern matches when you close your work. We are now turning the work, and here you can see the 2 different stitches again. 2 knit stitches and 2 purl stitches. These can be recognized by the V's and the horizontal bars. We're now making a knit stitch over the V's, and we're going to be making a purl stitch on each horizontal bar. And that's all you have to do until you reach the desired cuff length. You just have to alternate knitting 2 stitches followed by 2 purl stitches. See you guys soon! By alternating knit and purl stitches, the knitted piece contracts and actually becomes quite stretchy. So it's going to be perfect for a sleeve or a neckline.